Both of these are water, and I would like you to observe what happens. I have some red dye. I'm going to drop it in there, and I want you to observe what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to stir it. So just watch for a moment. As you're watching it, you can turn to the people in your group and just make observations. You can say anything you want. Just watch what happens.
Way faster. Hold on. Some sort of that one dropped. Oh, you know what? I get it. Because the atoms are moving so much, it's kind of stirring itself. It's like,
what do you mean by stirring
it's
itself?
not stirring itself, but the atoms they're moving so much that it spreads it faster than this one.
All right. All right. What do you notice happening here? What do you notice happening here? Go ahead.
The dye dispersed faster in the hotter water than it did in the cooler.
Okay. So what?
So that's just the difference. The difference is that the hotter the molecules get, the faster that they move around in the beaker. So if you put
Which molecules?
the water molecules.
Can you see any molecules in
Well,
there?
no, but you understand that because when you put the dye in, it shows how they're moving around the beaker.
What's he talking about, Melanie?
He's talking about that when you put another substance in another liquid substance in a water, that's the atoms are moving faster. So in this case, when it's hotter, that they're going to diffuse faster because the atoms are moving faster than the atoms that are in the cold.
Can you see any atoms in there?
No.
Then why are you so sure that atoms are going on?
Because of atomic theory.
Tell me more.
Atomic theory says that everything's made up of matter and atoms in it.
Okay, I want to be kind of clear. That's correct. Here we're actually talking about molecules. Which molecules in particular?
Water and oxygen.
Water, hydrogen and oxygen atoms that come together to make water molecules. And we can't see those. We can't see them at all. If I look in there, it looks like liquid to me. If I try to see particles, I simply can't see them. But the dye helps us to infer something. And it's helping provide evidence for the model, the atomic model that you're talking about. And I would like you to take a moment right now to sit down in your groups and discuss what kind of evidence did this observation give you about the atomic model or the molecular model and temperature. So sit down for a moment and give that a discussion.